Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. First of all, we will look into synoptic conditions today over the entire country and also their forecast. So here, if we see, there is a cyclonic circulation over South Gujarat region, which is extending up to mid-tropospheric levels up to 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level, tilting southwestwards with height and this cyclonic circulation. There are two other troughs which are extending from this cyclonic circulation. One is there extending from this Saisar to northwest UP across East Rajasthan, and that is extending up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level, and another one is extending from this Saisar to south coastal Andhra Pradesh between 3.1 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. And the monsoon trough is passing from Porbandar to Surat to Jalgaon, and then it is coming over to our Ramagundam, and from Ramagundam it is going to Machilipatnam, and from there to West Central Bay of Bengal. Currently the weather hotspot areas where weather is concentrated are over this Gujarat state and this North Konkan and adjoining parts of Madhya Maharashtra and over Haryana, Delhi and adjoining areas of West UP. And these weather conditions are under the influence of these two systems. One over the cyclonic circulation over Gujarat, and other the lower level trough from this cyclonic circulation over Gujarat to northwest UP. So this cyclonic circulation over Gujarat is very likely to move very gradually during next 3 days across Gujarat, and along with along with this Saisar, the trough which is extending up to northwest UP will also move during next 24 to 48 hours and become less marked thereafter. Now, as far as monsoon activity during past 24 hours is concerned, so under the influence of this Saisar, which was yesterday over North Madhya Maharashtra region, Gujarat region has experienced extremely heavy rainfall. That is, Valsad of Gujarat has experienced 40 centimeter rainfall. Daman has experienced 33 centimeter rainfall. Dadra and Nagar Haveli 16 centimeter. So in total, 18 stations of Gujarat have reported heavy rainfall. That is rainfall greater than 7 centimeter during past 24 hours. Also, due to the trough which is extending from this Saisar up to northwest UP, Haryana has also reported extremely heavy rainfall at one station and of Gurgaon, that is Pataudi, which reported 21 centimeter rainfall, and the rainfall over Jhajjar has been reported to be 14. And in Delhi, many stations have reported heavy rainfall. Even one heavy rainfall reporting station has been Lodi Road, which has reported 12 centimeter rainfall. Safdarjung has reported 11 centimeter rainfall. Pusa 10, Delhi Ridge has reported 8 centimeter. Dhansa 10 centimeter, Ayanagar and Palam 7 centimeter each. Likewise, uh, under the influence of the Saisar over North Madhya Maharashtra, which is today over South Gujarat region, the Konkan and Goa Dahanu station of that falls in Palghar district of Konkan, adjacent to South Gujarat region. That Dahanu has reported 20 centimeter rainfall, Panvel has reported 18 centimeter, and Uran and Thane has reported 15 centimeter of rainfall. So accordingly, we can see that the monsoon activity, the monsoon has remained, the monsoon has remained vigorous over Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, and active over our the entire West India and Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura of Northeast India. So we can see in the sky blue color we have Gujarat, East Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Telangana, which have reported active monsoon conditions, and Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi has reported vigorous monsoon conditions. Over rest parts of the country, the monsoon has remained normal, and over few subdivisions, 6 to 7 subdivisions have reported weak monsoon conditions during past 24 hours. Now, if we come over to our weather warning during next 5 days, then we can see that in this warning graphics, as we have depicted here, that over Gujarat state, that is which consists of two subdivisions, one of Gujarat region and another of Saurashtra and Kutch. We have given red color coded warning, which means that as Gujarat region has reported extremely heavy rainfall yesterday, so we have given it a red color, keeping in mind the impact of the rainfall, the continuous rainfall. So these two subdivisions are very likely to have extremely heavy rainfall, that is greater than 20 centimeter of rainfall during next 24 hours. And North Konkan, to the north of Mumbai, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely, and over northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra, just isolated heavy rainfall is likely. And as far as this Rajasthan is concerned, so isolated heavy rainfall likelihood is there over Rajasthan during next 24 hours. And over Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, the rainfall is except Delhi, over Haryana, the rainfall is likely to be likely to be around in the category of very heavy rainfall at isolated places. And tomorrow, this rainfall intensity over Gujarat is likely to reduce to just isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. And day after tomorrow, that is on 3rd of September, as the Saisar moves quite westwards, so only Saurashtra and Kutch are likely to experience isolated heavy rainfall on 3rd of September. Other areas, Gujarat region and North Konkan and North Madhya Maharashtra, will be warning free from 3rd of September. And over Haryana also there is no likelihood of heavy rainfall on 2nd of September, although South Rajasthan may experience isolated heavy rainfall. And that's all for this West India and Northwest India. And as far as Northeast India is considered, so this week is likely to remain subdued for Northeast India. Only isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh during next 24 hours. And after that, there is no significant heavy rainfall warning over the region. By 4th of September, there is likelihood of formation of a shear zone in mid levels across the peninsular India. So under the influence of that, the rainfall activity over south peninsular India is very likely to increase with fairly widespread to widespread rainfall over the region, and isolated heavy rainfall over entire coastal and South India, Karnataka, over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rayalaseema, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu from 4th of September. And also the this rainfall activity is likely to further enhance on 5th of September. So that's all regarding the country subdivision wise rainfall. Now we can also look briefly into the daily rainfall forecast for today. As we have seen, there is a trough extending from Gujarat up to northwest UP. So rainfall likelihood over Delhi is very much today during next 24 hours, and also isolated heavy rainfall is also likely at some places over Delhi. And actually, already 2-3 stations have reported more than 6 centimeter rainfall of over Delhi. And this rainfall activity, although currently there is no rainfall undergoing over Delhi, but it may start again from the evening or from the late night. And so isolated heavy rainfall may report over Delhi during next 24 hours. And then on the 2nd of September, as the trough from Gujarat to northwest UP moves further westwards, so this rainfall likelihood over Delhi is likely to reduce, and there is no heavy rainfall likelihood on tomorrow, but light to moderate rainfall likelihood would be there. And on 3rd of September, there will be just light rain or drizzle likelihood is there on 3rd of September. And then after that, there will be just partly cloudy skyness with just very light rain likelihood. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you. Goodbye.